Hello. For the Dodge caliper that won't start, I had seen someone having a Dodge caliper and it wouldn't start. And all you see is that, and all you get is that. Well, I'm here to improve that statement. Now the problem was a corroded wire under here, under this, and if you look, that just lifts up. There's 3 spots, one there, and one here. You lift that up and you take all the joints out, and if you see corrosion in one, which would probably be right under there, that's a wire coming from the transmission module telling the computer that nothing's happening. So you'll all get a click click. I went down, and it's way down in there is where the starter is, and I took wires and stuff and tested it and got it tested. A week worth of effort trying to figure out what the problem is. I learned a lot, and mainly is there's wires under the wheel well, right under here. Now there's a big trunk wire going from over there up across here. I don't want to get into it, and down here. Now right behind here in that spot are a bunch of relays for your Dodge caliper. This is a 2008, but 2007s and 9s I think are all the same. So you got to check those connections, check them all. Any ones that have corrosion on it, get cleaner on it, and if you have to, get some fine tinfoil and put it in there to create a connection. And if you don't feel comfortable with that, just locate where the corrosion is and then get a mechanic to sort it out, and he'll fix you up. I went finally to the dealer, and Manly Motors in Lindsay, Ontario, and they set me up, fixed the car up, and told me what the problem was. So I got to hand it. They reinstated my faith in dealers. So my hat's off to them. And the mechanic that I have, JD, he was good enough to tell me that it was beyond his scope. He tried everything, and it baffled him. Didn't charge me a nickel. So I got to give him great thanks for doing that and being honest about it. And so anyway, you just gotta have someone, because a very faint click that you hear, the solenoid, and it ain't the solenoid and it ain't the starter. But you have to take all this out, loosen this off to get at where the starter is, and it's right straight down there. Straight down there. There's a yellow wire on this one, and you could hit that with the red wire and it'll turn over. But it won't start because the computer is being told by the transmission that there's nothing there. So the computer kicks out. And anyway, I hope this is great informational to you. And it's not really that difficult once you've learned it. And now you know what to look for. And you have a great day. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like. And I hope you enjoy all my other videos that I've got on my channel. This is Bruce Van Beek out. Thank you for your time. Have a great week.